Hello all, welcome to session 22 of the PySpark series. So in session 21, we have seen how to work with simple aggregations in PySpark. Simple aggregations are the aggregations where we work on like the data as a whole. Okay, we don't work on particular partition like particular department, particular sitting or something like that. We work on data as a whole, right? So in last session, we have seen how to find the total expenses, okay, that company is having on employee salary. Okay, maybe in this session what we will do, we will see the four more problem statements. So first is like find total employees in the company, find count of, let's say find count of total employees in the organization. Okay, second is find the average salary of the employees in the organization. Okay, in the organization. Okay, third problem statement can be find the maximum salary of the employee in the organization. Okay, and next is minimum salary. Okay, minimum salary. Okay, so first is like find the count. So let's say we have to find the count of employees in the organization. How many employees are currently working in the organization? Okay. So we already have created the data set. Okay. Data frame, right? Which is emp df dot display. Okay. I'll just show you that again. So we have four columns: employee ID, employee name, employee salary, and employee department, right? We have already seen the dot aid aggregation method, right? So we will start solving the first problem statement here. Okay. So for first, we have two ways. The one is dot f dot avg that we have seen. Let me just import the functions. Okay. SQL import functions as f. Okay. Now find the count of total employees in the organization. Okay. What I'll do, I'll just create new data frame that is not needed. We can club all the aggregations. I'll show you that. Okay. At the end of this session. Now emp df dot what aggregate. Now what I have to do, I have to find count. Okay. Count of what? Okay. Count of, let's say, all employee IDs. Okay. How many employee IDs are there? Employee IDs means what? It is like count of employees. Okay. So emp id and dot alias. What I want to find, total employees. Okay. Total employees. Right. Let me run this. Right. And if I display empdf1 dot display. Okay. Right. Total employees are 115. Okay. Is that correct result? Let's see. Yes, correct. 115. Right. So this is one way, okay, to find, let's say, to work with F.count. There is another way which can directly give me the result. Okay. What is that? emp df2 equals to emp df. Directly I can use count here. Directly I'll use count. Okay. So count is like all the records in this data frame, it will give me the count. Okay. Dot. I don't think, let's see, display. Display will work here. Hmm. Display will not work. It is like maybe I'll need to use emp df2. I'll tell you why display is not working here. emp df2. Okay. Now, first thing, why display has not worked here is because directly using dot count is action. Using dot count on employee ID, only dot count is action, right? So on this data frame, we have already performed one action. Okay. That's why I had to print the result. Okay. It has given 115. This way, we are not doing any action on this data frame. EMP-df1, it is dot AWG count, right? Alias, all are transformations. Okay. And to all these transformations, to get the results, we are applying action display, right? That's why this is like using transformations. Okay. And using dot count alone with data frame is an action. Okay. Keep this in mind. Now, uh, right, this is how we can work with count in you know um simple aggregation. Now, what is just find the average salary of employees in the organization. So let's say some organization, this organization wants to find like what is the average salary if they are where they are standing in the market. Okay. For example, market has some average salary of employees. This organization wants to check if they are providing more than average or less than average, or around the average, right? So what we will do, emp df3 equal to emp df dot g, okay, f dot average. Okay, we'll use f dot average. Average of what? I want employee salary. Okay, and what alias I want to give is, let's say, average salary. Okay, average salary. Okay, let's see the result. Okay, dot display. Right, this is the average salary, 40,000. Okay, might be more than, less than market, or more than market, whatever it is, but this is the average salary of the employees of this organization, right? Fine, we have seen count transformation, average also. Now what we'll see, let's say how to find the maximum salary of employee, maximum salary of the employee in this organization. Okay, uh, what I'll do, I'll just create empdf4 equals to empdf dot aggregate. Okay, f dot max, sorry, f dot max. Okay, and f dot col, which column? Emp salary. Okay, dot maximum salary. Let's see what is the maximum salary of the employee, any one of the employee or multiple employees, right? What is the maximum salary this organization has given so far to their employees, right? What is that? 1,50,000, 15,000. Okay. Definitely per month. Per year, nobody will join. Okay. In IT. So it is just a dummy data, guys. Just dummy data, right? This is how we find maximum, right? And next is minimum. I'm going a little fast because these things, right? These are just newer and newer transformations that we are, you know, introducing, right? Now I have to find minimum. Okay, it is minimum. It is, I copy pasted. I did not update this. Okay, minimum, minimum, right? Let's say empdf5, empdf dot aggregate, f dot minimum. Okay, f dot col, what? Emp salary, right? What is minimum salary this organization has given so far to their employees, right? What minimum salary, right? Emp df5 dot display. Okay. What is that? it is 1000 rupees. Okay. Don't laugh on this. It's a dummy data. Okay. Fine. So this is how, we achieve the results when we consider data as a whole, right? We do not consider any partitions in the data. Okay. We consider data as a whole. We found out the sum, we found count, we found out average, we found out maximum, we found out minimum, right? Now, again, as per our habit, let's try to solve this using Spark SQL. Okay, just to give you the practice of SQL also, right? Create a replace temp view employee. Okay, Spark SQL. What first is what to find count, right? Select count of, let's say, employee ID as total employees from employee, right? Now I have to use display. Now, you know why I have to use display, because we have seen in earlier sessions, the result of Spark SQL is always a data frame. To see the results of data frame, I have to use action display. Right, total employees, it has given 115. Now, what is the next? Find the average salary, right? Spark.sql, select average, what, employee salary as average salary from employee, right? Dot display. Okay, this is the average salary, right? The same results we got using um I can say PySpark data frame also, right? But we definitely prefer working with PySpark data frames because they are more efficient than Spark SQL. The reason is we, I think, already discussed. Again, I'll reiterate, Spark SQL needs one step. Okay. One more step to parse the Spark SQL to data frame column object. Okay. Right. Now maximum, right? Maximum salary, employee salary as maximum salary from employee, right? Dot display. Max, the same function that we have used in PySpark data frame. Again, we are using here, right? Okay. Next, Spark SQL, select now minimum, right? EMP salary as minimum salary from employee, right? We will use display. Okay. 1000, right? Same results we got using PySpark data frame, right? This is how, um, like in just 2 sessions, I have covered this. Okay. How to work with simple aggregations in PySpark. Okay. How to use sum, count, average, maximum, minimum, right? Okay, fine. I think that, okay, that one thing that is remaining, how to, uh, I would say, achieve all the aggregations in one data frame, right? For example, EMPDF, let's say I'll create six now. Okay. So we have, what we have to achieve, let's say, sum, okay, sum, count, average, max, min in one data frame. How to do that? Okay. EMPDF dot, what, aggregation. Okay. First is what? Sum, right? Sum of what? Employee salary, right? Dot alias, what? Total salary, for example, right? Total salary, right? What is second? I'll just copy this. Okay. What is second? Second is count, right? So F dot, let's say, count, count of, let's say, employee ID. Okay. And it is what? Total employees, right? What is third? Average salary, right? Average salary is what? Average salary. Average salary, right? Comma. Fourth. What is the fourth? Maximum salary, right? Maximum salary. Okay. What is fifth? Minimum salary, right? Minimum salary, right? Let's run this. Okay. Okay. So all the results that we achieved separately here, we are achieving in one data frame, right? We are not putting that in multiple data frame, right? empdf6.display. See, total salary. If you want the result as a whole in at one place in one data frame, here it is. Total salary, total spending that organization is doing on their employee salaries, total employees the organization has, average salary of the employee in their organization, what is maximum, what is minimum, right? So this is how when we have multiple aggregate functions, dot avg is efficient one, right? So it is recommended to use dot avg, okay, when we are working with aggregations, right? And that is how we, it is like just adding a new column. We use comma, then again new column. We use comma, again new column, new aggregation, comma, so far, right? So this is how we work with simple aggregations in PySpark, right? Fine. I hope this is clear to you, right? That's everything for this session. I think in next session we will see the next type of aggregations, right? We have covered simple aggregations in these two sessions, right? Fine, that's everything for this session. If you have any feedback or suggestions to share, do let me know in comment section, or you can message me personally on LinkedIn. If you feel this is useful to the community, do like, share, subscribe. Okay. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next session.